Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the state of Gujarat. Today is the auspicious day of Mahashivratri and the last day of Mahakumbh. And you are in Gujarat. So Ganga, Jamna and Saraswati are meeting in environmental conference. So this is the land of Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and the world's most renounced leader, Shri Narendra Modi ji. So, I am an MLA of this assembly. Our budget session is going on. Mr. Das is very humoner. He has not spoken something to you which I will have to clarify. Our Chief Minister, Honorable Bhupendra Patel was likely to come today in this conference. But as you know, today it is the day of Mahashivratri. And at last moment, he had to go to Somnath because there is one festival, Somnath festival was to be inaugurated. So I apologize on behalf of government of Gujarat to all of you that our Chief Minister could not attend this conference. See, most of the speakers, scientists, researchers and students are going to talk on environment. I will not talk much on it. It is my subject. I am the 12th man. I was asked by Mr. Das that at last moment you have to speak something, and I say, okay, I will speak something about Gujarat. My subject is industrial chemistry. Though I am MLA, I have done MPhil on water pollution, but I will tell something you about Gujarat only. See, Gujarat is the state, why ICMR and NIOH selected Gujarat and Meghaninagar and Ahmedabad, you know, because this is the state which has got eco-balance very well balanced. It has got the longest sea coast. 1,600 kilometers long sea coast Gujarat has got. It has got dense forests, Asiatic lions, Gir. I think you know everybody. So Gujarat is the state where our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji started his career. He was the Chief Minister. And when he was Chief Minister, I know I was not MLA, but I was the standing committee chairman of Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation. That time I had a chance to attend such conference in Paris in France, where everybody was worried about carbon credit. And today we are also worried about carbon credit, environment, occupational health. After Corona, number of diseases, I think particularly pulmonary diseases, young age heart attacks, young age paralytic attacks, all are happening. And scientists are also worried. So I will request Rajiv Behel sir that today many students are there. So one of the subjects, though it is little different away from this environmental and occupational health, but I think something should be done on this also. Because the food which we were taking previously and at present, the air quality, the water quality, everything is deteriorating day by day. And I think it is the root cause of all these diseases. See, coincidentally, I should also mention that today is the 614th birthday of Ahmedabad and Meghaninagar twin city. So we are celebrating Foundation Day of Ahmedabad also. Many things can be told about Gujarat, but I am only telling you that now this is the state where our Honorable Prime Minister started Vibrant Gujarat. I think US, Canada, France, England and most of the countries participated in most of the Vibrant summits. We have done many MOUs on many sectors. I will like to put one last thing about Gujarat. that semiconductor chips and AI on which the whole world is working at present, I think these are only manufactured in Taiwan. But with efforts of Indian scientists and all of you brilliant people sitting in front of me, we are able to establish one such semiconductor microchip plants in Sanand with Micron. And it is the biggest credit of Gujarat, I hope. And I hope that after Taiwan, India and Gujarat will be one of the states which will be manufacturing these semiconductor chips, and it will have great help in AI also. So once again, myself and Dinesh Makwana ji, we are old friends. We are happy to see you in twin city. Now Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar is almost twin city. I will also request you who is coming from out of Gujarat or out of India, we have got the best riverfront of Asia. It must be visited. We have got cruise there, we have got number of botanical gardens, environmental gardens, everything there. And we are extending that riverfront from Ahmedabad up to Gandhinagar. And next time when you will come for such conference, I think that riverfront will be extended up to Dindayal PDPU, Petroleum University. Once again, thank you very much to all the dignitaries. I have not given any names because Gujaratis are good by heart and you understand this. Once again, thank you very much. Thank you so much.